Hi, you are welcome in Arduino lecture learning series. Today we will discuss about how to interface IR sensor with Arduino. So let's start this video. To demonstrate our project, just we need to open Proteus software. So we will just open it. Here we required some component to build our project. So let's select the component required from the list of Proteus software. For that, just you need to move in component mode. From here, just you have to click on pickup devices and search for Arduino. You will get Arduino family here. From here, just you have to choose Arduino Uno or R3. So just click OK, and we required IR sensor. So we will choose here IR sensor and just click OK. Next we required LED for demonstration. So we need to choose LED. Here you have to choose LED Aqua and just click on OK. Now we required one more thing. Just you have to search here logic toggle. So you will find here a logic toggle symbol. Just click on OK, and the required devices will be added in your devices list. So first of all, just you have to choose Arduino board and place it in workspace and rotate it clockwise so that we can work with Arduino in vertical mode. Now just we required IR sensor, so just click on IR sensor and drop it in workspace. So just rotate it anti-clockwise. So it's done. Now just we required LED. So click on LED and just drop it in your workspace area. Now it's turn to choose toggle. Just you have to click on logic toggle and click on workspace area. Okay, the things required for our project demonstration is placed on workspace. So now it's turn to connect our components in right way. So let's start the connection. In IR sensor, you will be able to see 3 pins here. First one is VCC, second one is ground, third one is out. So here you will get output. If any object is detected by IR sensor, then it will just throw an output, means on output pin you will get high signal. So just we will connect Arduino A0 pin with output of IR sensor. Now just we need a VCC and ground. So for that just we need to move in terminal mode, and you will get here some power options. Here you have to choose ground, and next we have to choose power option. Place these two things in your workspace and connect respectively with your pins of IR sensor. So we will connect power with VCC of IR sensor and ground with the ground. So connection is completed with IR sensor. Now it's turn to connect our logic toggle with IR sensor. So it's completed now. Now we will just connect LED to any of the pin of Arduino. So we will just choose pin number 8 for that, and negative terminal of the LED we will just connect to the ground. So it's completed now. It's turn to program our Arduino. Here one thing just we have to notice, we just required IR sensor, a program for that. So when you will download the library for IR sensor, along with that you will get an hex file for that. So just you have to choose that hex file for your IR sensor. So just you have to double click on IR sensor and you will get a new pop-up, and here you will find an option for program file, and just you have to click on folder. I have downloaded that file in downloads, so I will just move in that. Here you can see here the hex file for infrared sensor. So just we will choose it and we have to click on OK. So the program for IR sensor is completed. Now it's turn to create a program for Arduino. So for that we required Arduino IDE software. So just open it. Okay, Arduino IDE is open now. Just we have to create our program. First of all, just we will create a variable for our LED. So this variable will be of integer type. We have connected LED on pin number 8, as you can see in Proteus software. Here we have connected LED on pin number 8. So just here we have to configure the pin number 8 as output, and just we have to connect variable created with the pin number 8. So we will just here write 8. Next we will define IR sensor pin. So for that we need to write here define we will create an variable named IR, and we have just connected IR on pin number A0. So we will write here A0. Now it's turn to move in white setup function. We have discussed about white setup in earlier videos. If you watching this video and you have not watched earlier videos, so you just move in earlier videos and you will get a detailed definition, a detailed introduction with white setup function. So now just we will configure these pins in white setup. So here we will just use a keyword pin mode. The IR variable is input for our Arduino board, so we will just here declare as input. So declaration for IR pin is completed. Now just we will declare the LED pin. As we know, LED is output device, so we need to declare here output. Now white setup is completed. Just we need to move in white loop function. Now our requirement is when any object is detected by IR sensor, then our LED should be on, and when there is no object, then our LED should be off. So for that, just we required if and else condition, as we have discussed about if and else condition in earlier videos. So just we will use if and else here. To read the input value of IR, just we need a keyword, that is digital read. Here what the digital read will do, continuously it will just monitor the pin which you will declare in this bracket. So we have connected our IR sensor on pin number A0, so we will write here A0. Continuously it will just monitor the pin number A0, and it will just monitor the change or what happening on the pin number A0. So here just we want when any obstacle is detected, so just LED should be turned on. So here we will write high, means if pin number A0 will become high, then what we have to do, just we will write in the body of if pin number A0 become high, then LED should be high. So we will write here digital write LED high. Now we need to confirm our Arduino what should be there if there is no obstacle detected by IR sensor. So for that we just need else condition. So we will write here else. If obstacle is not detected, then what should be there? LED should be turned off. So we will write here so our programming portion is completed. Now let's explain once again the program. In the first line, just we have defined IR, we have created a variable named IR, and IR is connected on pin number A0. Next we have created an integer type variable for LED which is connected on pin number 8. In the white setup we had just declare the pin configuration. In white loop function there is if condition and else condition, just we have mentioned here our requirement. So let's compile this code and we will generate just hex file. Before compilation, one thing just you have to notice, in the tool option just you have to select appropriate board. Just we are programming our Arduino Uno R3, so here we have to choose Arduino Uno, and just after that just you have to verify it. Now just we will see in this block where hex file is created, so search for that. Okay, here you can see hex file is created. So the hex file path will be provided by Arduino IDE software. So you have to move in the provided path. For that, just you have to move in Proteus software, and to upload the program in your Arduino, just you have to double click on Arduino board, and here you will get an option for program file, and you have to click on this folder option. Here just you have to choose the right path for hex file. So double click on the path where the hex file is created. So in your PC the path may be different, so just you have to follow the path created by Arduino IDE software. So we need to choose build number here. So the build created by Arduino is ending with 956. So we will search here for 956. So here you can see this is build created by Arduino IDE software. So we will just choose here. You can see here hex file is created. So choose this file and click on OK. Now it's turn to simulate our project. For that, here you can see some simulation control option is provided by this software. So just we need to play here. Now our simulation is running. So we will just provide an input from here. So our simulation is ready. Now just we have to give input on IR sensor. For that, just we need to toggle. As you can see, when we are providing one LED is high, when I release it means we are giving 0 signal to pin A0, it's become low. Once again let's demonstrate it. Here you can see when we toggle, yes, you can see LED is glowing. If we release it, then you can see LED is turned off. So our project is working very fine. So what we learned in this, just we learned to interface IR sensor with Arduino and coding related to that. Thank you.